Hey everyone, exams are around the corner, and I know it feels overwhelming. You might be asking yourself, can I really turn things around in just 1 month? Well, the answer is yes. This video is your 1 month clear roadmap to ace your board exams. Trust me, it's not about studying all day, it's about studying the right way. So, grab a notebook because we are diving in with actionable steps. Let's make this month a game changer. Step 1. Create a realistic plan. First of all is planning. Take a deep breath and write down your syllabus. Highlight the chapters or topics that carry the most weight in exams. Don't skip this step. It's like mapping out your journey before a trip. Now, divide your days into chunks. Here is an example. In morning, study theory-based heavy subjects like history or biology. In afternoon, focus on problem-solving subjects like math or physics. In evening, revise and practice what you have done all day. Stick to a 50 by 10 rule. Study for 50 minutes and take a 10-minute break. This keeps your brain fresh and focused. Here is a quick tip. Keep Sundays for revision and catching up on what you have missed during the week. As Stephen Covey said, the key is in not spending time, but in investing it. Let's invest it wisely. Step 2. Learn actively. Alright, now that your plan is ready, let's focus on how you study. Passive reading is not enough. It's time to engage with the material. Use flashcards to memorize formulas or definitions. Summarize a chapter in your own words and teach it to a friend or even your mirror. Because teaching forces you to understand concepts deeply. Practice past exam papers and sample questions. This is not just practice, it's preparation. Also, identify your weak areas. Are you struggling with trigonometry? Dedicate extra time to solving those problems. The goal is progress, not perfection. Here is something powerful. Keep asking yourself why. Why is this concept important? Why does this formula work? Understanding why will help you retain information longer. Step 3. Stimulate exam conditions. This step is a game changer. Take full-length mock test under exam conditions. Sit in a quiet room, set a timer and solve the paper as if it's the real thing. No distractions, no shortcuts. Once you are done, spend time analyzing your answers. What mistakes did you make? Why did you make them? Write these down and avoid repeating them in the next test. Another tip, practice time management. If your paper has 3 sections, allocate specific time for each and stick to it. Many students know the answers but lose marks because they run out of time. Step 4. Take care of your health. You might not realize this, but your body plays a big role in your success. Sleep is non-negotiable. Your brain needs at least 7 hours of rest to process and store information. Eat foods that fuel your brain like almonds, bananas and leafy greens. Drink water consistently because dehydration can make you lose focus. And don't forget to exercise. If you are feeling stressed, take 5 minutes to meditate or just breathe deeply. Remember, your mind can only perform at its best when your body feels good. Step 5. Final week. The last week is all about smart revision. Start your day by reviewing your cheat sheet like a single page summarizing key formulas, dates or concepts. Go through your mistakes from previous tests and make sure you understand how to fix them. Don't try to learn anything new in the last 2-3 days. Focus on strengthening what you already know. Avoid going out with your friends. Instead, take short breaks, go for a walk or listen to calming music. Visualize yourself walking into the exam room with confidence. Remember, success is the sum of all small efforts. 1 month might seem short, but with focus and discipline, it's enough to achieve great results. Don't compare yourself to others because this is your journey. If this strategy helped you, let me know in the comment section, share your progress and inspire others, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this that can help you to reach your full potential. Good luck and remember, you are capable of doing amazing things. Bye.